Welcome to a new video on the brake cylinders. We had some leaking cylinders, and in this video we are going to show you how we are repairing them. Stay tuned for that. So one of the cylinders was leaking, so I bought a kit to change all the rubbers, and to pop the cylinders out I used compressed air, and those two came out immediately. Now I have to do these two by hand, because compressed air won't work anymore, because it's open here. So all the cylinders are out. Here they are. And these are the dust covers. I don't know if you can see, but those cylinders need some cleaning too. There is some work to do inside of the cylinders too. Taking out the rebuild kit with all the new rubbers and the dust covers, and my good friend Ludo will do this work, and as you can see, he is used to do this. He does this for more than 40 years already. Removing the old rubbers here, then cleaning where they sat, new rubbers on with the right direction, and then fitting them right in place. He's demonstrating here how it has to sit so it can push. Springs into the cylinders, removing again the old rubber here. Cleaning where it's at. And then the new rubber on in the right direction. And seeing that it is fitting well. Next one. Old rubber out. Cleaning. And then after this, the new one in the right direction so it can push against the brake pads. See how quick he can do that, because he's really used to do this. And then the last one. Old rubber out, cleaning, and new one in. And that is the last one that is done now. Okay. Seems to fit. Okay. The dust covers, the new ones. Taking some brake fluid and rub it against the cylinders. Springs back in. Also the brake fluid on the rubbers. Dust cover. And see to that the rubbers are going into the cylinders like they should. That's a bit tedious job, but here one cylinder is already in. Dust cover over it and knocking it down. Now he's going to knock it down really thoroughly all around so it fits like a glove and it stays put. Guys, consider subscribing. It would help the channel a lot. Thanks in advance. Thank you for watching. and thank you for following the channel. I'm going to show only one cylinder here because the process is always the same. So if you see one, how to do it, you know how to do it the other two. Fitting the rubber all around. And that's done. And everything is back on. Just have to do the new brake pads in, and everything is okay. So this is again a wrap for this video. Thank you all for watching. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, do the same. Find us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on any future videos. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.